Welcome back to our channel, where we provide solutions to common Windows 10 issues. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the problem of the Windows 10 Start button not working. If you're experiencing this issue and want to find a solution, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Step 2. If you see a limited list of tasks, click on More Details. Step 3. Click on the Processes tab. Step 4. Search for a process called Windows Explorer. Step 5. Right-click on it and select Restart. Step 6. Close the Task Manager after the restart process finishes. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the issue of the Windows 10 Start button not working. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 troubleshooting tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.